The Supreme Court today approved the CBSE's assessment scheme to give marks to students instead of the cancelled Class 12 board examinations. The board will prepare results for pending subjects on the basis of exams that have already been conducted, as well as internal assessment performance. The Class 12 exam results will be declared by the 15th of July, and there will be no further pending papers, is what the court has now approved. Vaidyanathan joining us with more on that. Vaidya, what else do we know?
See, for the parents and students who have been eagerly waiting, what is the assessment process? The CBS completely spilled it out, and the court has also approved. There are 3 points. Number one, this is all for 12th standard CBSE only. Number one, students who have already completed the examination, there is nothing to be held. Secondly, students who have taken more than 3 examinations. So how the assessment will be done? The assessment will be best of 3 will be taken as average. And the second category is people who have taken just 3 exams so far. For them, the best of 2 exams will be taken as an average for finalizing the result. And the third category, particularly in few parts in Delhi, students have attempted only 1 or 2 exams. So what happens to them? For them, the option is 1, internal assessment, project works and laboratory, all these things will be taken into account, or they can opt for a written examination which will be held at a later stage. But during the course of the hearing, Supreme Court also made it clear to the CBSE, saying that CBSE can even think it over not conducting the examination at a later date. So these are the assessment points which students and parents should know this.
Vaidyanathan, a similar relief was also sought by, students of the ICSE board. Did the Supreme Court have anything to say about that?
In fact, ICSE board also said that they will also follow the assessment process by CBSE, but they said it will be a little different. So what is exactly their assessment process? They said the ICSE will put up within a week on its website so that students can know about it.
All right. Thanks very much indeed for that clarification. Vaidyanathan joining us with those details of what the Supreme Court has said today. Let's also listen in to what the petitioner's lawyer had to say about exactly how that assessment is going to be done.
As per the assessment scheme of CBSE, if the candidate or if the student has appeared in all the exams before the lockdown, then the actual performance of those exams would be counted. But in a case where the student has appeared for, say, 4 exams, then best of 3 subjects would be counted for the remaining cancelled exam. And similarly, for 3 subjects, the remaining best 2 subjects would be counted for the cancelled exams. However, if a student has appeared only for 1 or 2 subjects, then the CBSE, while its notification has cleared that only the practical or the internal assessment marks will be provided for the remaining cancelled exams. Moreover, CBSE has given an option to a student that in case he or she is desirous of appearing in an exam to be conducted subsequently in a better situation, then that option would be conducted or given to the student, that as and when she exercises that option, then he or she would be eligible to appear for that examination.